Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Luma AI and Descript AI. You see, when it comes to their features, the core function, Luma AI is for generative video production, while Descript AI is for text-based video or audio editing. When it comes to their primary workflow, Luma AI has prompt to video and image to video, while Descript AI has script to video and edits media like a document. When you look at what they are ideal for, Luma AI is ideal for cinematic B-roll, VFX, concept art, and 3D capture, while Descript AI is ideal for podcasts, social clips, tutorials, and interviews. When we look at their AI capabilities, Luma AI has physics-consistent motion, Wave 3 reasoning model, and 4K upscaling, while Descript AI has automatic filler word removal, studio sound enhancement, eye contact correction. When we look at their visual tools, Luma AI has high fidelity HDR video and 3D object scanning called NERF. When we look at Descript AI, it has green screen removal, automatic B-roll generation, and templates. When we look at their audio tools, Luma AI's audio tool is limited because it is focused on visual generation, while Descript AI's audio tools is industry standard, industry-leading transcription, voice cloning called overdub, and speech-to-speech. Lastly, let's look at their pricing model. Actually, not lastly, we still have two more. When we look at their pricing model, that of Luma AI is credit-based, 20 generations per month, while that of Descript AI is hybrid. We have your media hours plus AI credits for effects. Now let's look at their starting cost. For Luma AI, starting cost is around 30 generations per month, and that is for the free plan. And then we have the plus plan that costs about $29.99 per month, which is also called commercial. While that of Descript AI costs about, the free plan is about 1 hour. You get 1 free hour per month. Then if you go for the creator plan, you pay $24 per month and you get unlimited AI tools. Lastly, commercial use. Yes, you can use Luma AI commercially, but only on the plus plan and higher, while commercial use is possible for Descript AI on all paid plans. So it's as simple as that. Now, if you're wondering which should you choose, well, I'll say you should choose Luma AI if you need to invent footage. It is best for creators who want to generate 5-second cinematic clips from text or images without a camera. While you can choose Descript AI if you already have footage, it is the best choice for those who need to clean up speech, add captions, and edit interviews quickly by deleting words from a transcript. Hope you found this video helpful.